Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Curry Gaming, and today we are going to be unboxing two more Spin Master Monster Jam trucks from Mix 7. So a couple days ago I shoveled the driveway, and as a reward my parents told me I could open two Monster Jam trucks, and I'm going to show you the ones I plan to unbox. So first we have the orange Gravedigger from World Finals 16, I believe, and then the beautiful Chevy S10 Avenger. Look at that. So we are going to start off with the orange Gravedigger. Alright, so here is Gravedigger, and here is the figure, probably representing Morgan Kane. Alright, here it is, the beautiful orange Gravedigger. Very nice graphics on this one. Very shiny orange roll cage. I think that's a new color for roll cages this year. The rims look new as well. So it's basically typical Gravedigger, just with a different paint job. So very cool. Hopefully we get the purple Gravedigger that was driven by Colvinard next year. Alright, so there's that. Put Gravedigger back there. And then let's take a look at the S10 Avenger. Here's the truck, and here's the figure, representing Jim Kohler. Alright, let's take a look at that beautiful S10 Avenger. So it's got the same graphics as the Avenger from Mix 3, but on a different tooling. The 3D grille is amazing, and so are the headlights. I do hope that Spin Master uses this tooling for other Team Scream trucks like Wrecking Crew and Rage. That would be really cool. I even like the beadlock rims on it. That's really cool. When I saw that the S10 Avenger was coming out, I was expecting it to have like graphics from like the late 90s and early 2000s, but that's alright. I think it looks cool either way. So I guess you could say this is pretty much how Avenger should have been made for its 20th anniversary design. I don't know. But very cool overall. I really like it. Probably one of my favorite of the Retro Rebels this year. So yeah. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the S10 Avenger and the orange Gravedigger. Besides the inverse Monster Mutt Dalmatian, these two trucks will not make their Sign-Up Series debut until Sign-Up Series 17. So once we get Sign-Up Series 16 out of the way, I will, prepare the sign-ups video for Sign-Up Series 17. So if you have not signed up yet for Sign-Up Series 16, please do that, because either Friday or Saturday, I plan to do the event. And then maybe tomorrow I will do the Field of Trucks video. And there's still also a lot of debuting trucks to pick from. So please get those selected, or if I need to, push it off to the following weekend, I can do that as well. But again, please sign up for the event. I wanna get it done as soon as possible, and I would like to have pretty much all the debuting trucks selected. So yeah. Alright guys, until next time, see you later.